Alright, I'm making a short video about this. I had a heat shield here. This is the fuel tank right here that rusted off at the mounting, and you can tell I drilled it out. I took the mount off in the back, and then in the front I did the same. I drilled out the holes, or I broke them off and I cleaned it up. And so now I was deciding what to do with the heat shield. Well, I looked it up. A new heat shield is about $50, so I said, what can I do? So here's the old heat shield. You can tell it's very rusted on the back. And so what I did was I had some aluminum and I bent it into place. I drilled a hole and I used sheet metal screws to hold the two in place. I made the double and the single, and I'm sorry I didn't record that part of it, but I cut off all the rusted areas. You can tell how badly rusted the ends are, and I think I got it fairly close to where it needs to be. So we're going to try to install this today. Also, to make things easier, I bought M6 body clips like this and bolts. These I got as a whole set from Amazon, so they were pretty cheap overall. So I'm going to try to put it back like semi-factory, okay? So let's see how that goes, okay? First, I have to slide. You can see that I'm going to slide the clip over the opening. There we go, there's one, and so that should go back. Now they're probably not exactly the same size, but I think that's going to work. Let's put the others in. Okay. Now I'm going to take the piece and slide it over, and that's a pretty good fit right there. And then let's get one of the bolts in here, and we're just going to hand thread that in there for now. There we go. It started. Alrighty, and let me get the ones for the back end, okay? And then we'll tighten that down, okay? Alright, I'm just gonna tighten it up here. And we're not gonna go crazy. Using a little speed wrench there, and we'll see how long that stays up. But hey, there's a quick fix to that heat shield. And we'll see how long it lasts now. Alright, good luck on your project, and thanks for subscribing.